Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're going to be doing some country music. We're going to learn how to play Wildfire by Michael Martin Murphey. Let's take a listen to it. All right, this is one of those songs I had never really heard, but it's got over 19 million views on YouTube, so apparently it's a very popular song. It's got a really neat piano part in it. I'm going to show you how to do that today. But check out WebPianoTeacher.com. It's where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for, to help you how to do that. So as we get into this part one lesson, what you see here on the board, right, we teach using letters on the whiteboard and the chord approach instead of learning music notation, because for some people that just doesn't work. Your brains don't work that way, and you're incredibly musically talented. You just need a different way to learn. So that's worked for a lot of people for us on WebPianoTeacher.com. Come join us. Take a look at the site. There are many, many free lessons on there, thousands that you can take a look at. You want to check us out. All right, so in this part one lesson, we have this piano part, and it's a piano introduction that doesn't seem to have anything to do with the rest of it. It's just a neat bumper on the beginning and the end of the song, and then of course we learn the chords in the middle to play with the singing. But I think the hardest part is probably this intro here, and we're going to learn that step by step together. So let's start just taking a look at it. What happens is you have a left-right thing going on. Left, right, left, right. So it sounds fast, but if you played one hand at a time, you see it actually goes slow if you have one hand at a time. It's just left, right. So the fast notes are just a result of going back and forth between the hands, okay? So what I'm trying to say is it's easier than it sounds, okay? So let's take a look at the left hand first. Low E, here's middle C, we're going to start with this, and then I'm going to jump up and do an E here. And then F sharp, and then G sharp, F sharp, down to E, and then the left hand actually will come up here and play a G sharp. I just wrote it up there, and then down for a B for the end. Okay, so low E, higher E. And I'm always on you guys about not pedaling too much. Well, here's a place where you get to just hold the pedal down, because it all works together as a chord. So you can hold the pedal down for this first measure. Right hand, E up here. I'm going to use finger 2, then a thumb for the B, back to E, F sharp, B, G sharp, E. Okay? So you play one hand position right there. So it goes left, right. Now, the first note, you kind of hold a little bit, 8th note, and then we go to 16th notes. Da, 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 da. Okay, so it goes left, and then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Then we have this beautiful chord. Reminds me of that, Man from Snowy River. I don't know why, just that chord. C sharp, E, F sharp, A just sounds like snow, doesn't it? And then left hand on the C sharp. Later on we have that F sharp. I like to play it from the beginning. That's the chord. It's an F sharp minor 7. So let's go from the beginning and go. 1. Go, guys. So again, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Teach you the whole thing on WebPianoTeacher.com, along with many other lessons as well. As a member, you can download the sheets for this or any other lesson series that you like. See you on the website. Talk to you later.